Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the time. Today I am with a little one, but he's on the side, which is a good thing. I'm going to try to do my hair and I'm going to try to be as quick as possible, but that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, he's not sleeping, so I was like, okay, I'm going to do my things as he's sitting over there. Anyway, so if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification to get notified every time I post a new video. I'm trying to be consistent this year as much as possible. Yeah, but I have a baby, so it's not always possible. I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and do what I'm gonna do, which I'm gonna do a video, and it's gonna be a hair today. I'm gonna do a styling video. I'm trying to do some of these some stuff into my hair and try new things here and there. I've worn my hair a lot. If you've been on the channel, I've worn a lot of my natural hair, so I haven't had any extensions or something really like creative or stuff like that. So I saw this thing, I tried this thing last week. Was it last week? Or yeah, there's a friend birthday party and I was like, you know what, I don't know what to wear, I'm gonna get out of here. So I just did something different. So I'm gonna quickly I'm gonna show you guys that style. I did it on my phone, but it was not clear because anyways, the first thing I'm going to do is making sure, okay, my hair is really old. This is an old hair. I'm going to be washing my hair, but I think if I put gel into it, it's gonna be okay because I'm gonna wash it out. So I don't want to do the style after I wash my hair because I don't want to put gel on my hair, because washing my hair, it takes a while because I have a baby now. So anyways, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to quickly go ahead and do styling. So the first thing I'm going to do is tie these hair up. You can see these hair were like twisted or stuff like that or whatever, I don't know. But first thing I'm going to do is trying to tie up the hair, and then I'm going to add do like a ponytail, and I'm going to add these like extensions onto the ends. And these are like my old, these ones here, if you've seen on my Instagram, I have these were FAUX LOCS, and I had extra one left behind. I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna do something with these one, and then now I have something to do with them. So anyways, I'm gonna do my puff as usual. I'm gonna try to tie it up as much as possible. So that's the first step I'm gonna do. Yeah, my son is in the background, so that's why. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my water. In this water I have some aloe vera juice with water. So dang, how are you? So that's what I'm doing right now. Oopsie. Okay. Hey. Hey. So dang, in the back here. So it's gonna act as a leave-in conditioner. And yeah, just gonna quickly just go do that. I'm gonna do some of these up. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead with my Eco Styler gel. You guys have seen this on the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the edges. I'm gonna take that much because I'm gonna be washing my hair, so don't worry about how much gel you put into your hair because you're gonna wash your hair. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and do, so I'm gonna put the gel onto the edges because I'm trying to lay my edges as much as possible. I don't have the brush, so I'm just using my hands, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, so that's the first step. Next thing I'm going to do, let's see, is I'm going to use my string. I usually do this, I use this for my afro, like when I'm doing puffs. So I'm going to just use this one here to tie it up all the way to the middle. My son is kind of fuzzy. I'm coming. So I'm going to use it to lay it down. Then I'm just gonna use the same water and spray there. Okay, so I have all these sections on the top part. This is step one, making sure this part is laid. Second part, making sure these ones are kind of like, you know, in order, so they're not everywhere. And then I'm gonna take each one and tuck it in there. This is how it looks like in the back. Next thing I'm going to do is, which is, it's not really a step, but like it's just something you need to do. You don't need to do it. Let's just do it because I would like to make sure my edges are a little bit moisturize. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the edge control. That's my Cantu edge control shea butter, the shea butter line. And yeah, just take it, put it on the edges. Before we install the extensions or whatever, I'm going to just, you know, use an added making sure the can't say it dang, Mommy's just having a few more steps to go. So I'm going to use this to lay down the edges so that, you know, it's not looking all everywhere as much as possible. Then this part is just to make sure you have a bit of the edges laid down and it's not just crusty. I'm gonna go and just take care of the baby, make sure he's not crying, and then just like come back, install the I'll come back and install the extensions. So okay, and the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one down. You see how it looks like? So this is my hair right now before I put install anything. Oopsie. Before I install any extensions. So I'm just gonna quickly go ahead. So I have it in here. I'm gonna undo because I have a shoelace actually, which is interesting because it was just easy thing to have. Okay, so these here they are. So what I did is I took, oh my goodness, it sounds so easy to talk about, but it was not easy. So take these. Okay, I'm gonna probably go down. Okay, so this is where it's gonna sit. Okay, so take these, put it down, and I'm gonna be stringing around. Okay, that's right. And then you go underneath and underneath, bring it back up, underneath, bring it back up, that much. And then this one's here, I'm just gonna try to tie it, but ouch. You can go like that, it's up to you, but I don't think I would love to. But I'm gonna, you wanna be like a but anyway, so what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to create a bun, and then we just go this way, in extra hair, making sure, you know, it's out of the way, making sure it's all stuck at the bottom. And I want to take my headband, so that's why I have them here. Headband to make sure this one is securely attached at the bottom. There you go. Okay, so yeah, and then let us tuck in. Yeah, there we go. Well, now, because you just need to switch things up, make them look different. So that's how it looks like. I think it's done. I'm just gonna try to tweak it and see how it looks like. Anyways, I think you just have to tweak around. I was just like putting it away, just walk around where your hair is out, try to tuck it in, and just kind of create it as you go until you find a specific bun you're looking for. Anyways, that's the end of my tutorial of my hairstyle type of video today, because I'm not trying to do too much. My son is here and I don't want to spend more time. I'm going to do bits of here and there, but anyways, this is the look and this is the final look for my hair. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys have a good one. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comment, let me know what are some of the extensions you like to wear, how do you protect and style your hair, and what are some of the questions you would like to leave behind about hair and how to take care of your natural hair. But anyways, everybody, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.